Hello guys, you are watching a Ninja Chemist channel, best channel about homemade smoke bombs. Today I'll show you very good way how to make a smoke bomb. This recipe is very suitable for making big and very big smoke bombs, mostly for training purposes. For tactical usage they are not very suitable. And also this is the cheapest way to make a smoke bomb ever. I am talking about improved version of ammonium nitrate smoke bomb. Usually ammonium nitrate smoke bombs are made of newspapers that soaked in concentrated ammonium nitrate solution. This way has some disadvantages. I mean, sometimes if done improperly it gives very little amount of smoke or doesn't give a smoke at all. My improved recipe doesn't have such problems, and also it gives much bigger amount of smoke because it has an additional smoke producer in the composition. Here is the recipe. You need ammonium nitrate, sawdust and motor oil. Ammonium nitrate must be dissolved in water and sawdust must be soaked in this solution. After drying, you need to add motor oil. This composition requires strong ignite. Here I am using 3 sparklers to ignite it. Also exists sodium nitrate version of this composition. It's a bit more powerful and it is much easier to ignite. Now it is time to test my smoke bomb. Ignition, you see a burning fuse. Please be patient, it requires some time to go off. That is the main reason why this smoke bomb can be used only for training. And now finally it's smoke. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to make holes from sides, so all smoke rises up and you actually don't see it. Sorry about this, next time I'll fix it. That's all for now.